In this video, we are going to talk about addition and subtraction of unlike radicands. Now, let's see some examples. In 2a, we have 4 square root of 54 plus 2 square root of 24. Now, remember, if we have an example something like that, 3 square root of 5 plus 4 square root of 5, for example, then it will be 3 plus 4, 7 square root of 5. So, this means we only add the numbers in the front of the square root expressions as 3 plus 4 equals 7, and we never change the square root expression itself. And we have to make sure the square root expressions in the addition or maybe subtraction should be the same. Now in our case, in 2a, they are not the same. One of the square root expressions is root 54 and the other is root 24. So this means we are going to simplify these expressions and somehow get the same square root expression so that we can add. Okay. What we have to do is, first of all, we have to find the prime factors of 54 and 24. So for 54, if we divide by 2, we get 27. If we divide by not 2, if we divide by 3, we get 9. If we divide by 3, we get 3. And if we divide by further 3, we get 1. So we are done. Now you see, for 54 we have 3 squared inside. Whereas for 24, we divide by 2, we get 12. We divide by 2, we get 6. We divide by 2, we get 3. And then we divide by 3 to get 1. So here we have 2 squared. But this means we are going to write the expression as follows. So root 54 will be equal to square root of 3 squared times square root of, now we have 2 and 3 as single, so 2 times 3 is 6, and which will be, well, when we cancel square and square root, we will have 3 square root of 6, whereas for root 24, we have a square root of 2 squared here, and 2 times 3 square root of 6. So cancelling square and the square root, we have root 24 to be as simple as 2 square root of 6. So instead of writing 4 times root 54 plus 2 times root 24, instead of root 54 and 24, we are going to write their simplified forms. So it will be 4 times 3 root 6 plus 2 times 2 root 6, which will be, well, 4 times 3 here is 12, so we have 12 root 6 plus 2 times 2 is 4, we have 4 root 6, which will be 12 plus 4, 16 root 6. Now the idea is this. First, you have to simplify the expression, square root expression given in the question, so that you will get the same simple expression, which in our case is root 6. So since we have the same expression, we can add the coefficients. So it is 12 plus 4, which is 16. So the answer will be 16 times square root of 6. Now let's look at the 2c. Now in 2c we have square root of 45, square root of 20, and square root of 245. Now we have to simplify these expressions first. So 45 is Well, dividing by 3 we get 15, dividing by 3 we get 5, and dividing by 5 we get 1. So it is nothing but 3 squared times 5. Now for 20, it is, well, we start with dividing by 2, we have 10, dividing by 2 we have 5, dividing by 5 we have 1. So it is 2 squared times 5, and for 245, this may take a little bit longer. Now, we have to start dividing by 5. Then it will be 39, 49. Dividing by 7, we get 7, and dividing by 7, we get 1. So, square root of 45 is square root of 3 squared times square root of 5. So cancelling the square and the square root, we have 3 square root of 5. For 20, we will have square root of 2 squared times square root of 5, which when we cancel we have 2 square root of 5, and for square root of 245 we have square root of 7 squared, as in here, times square root of 5, which is 7 square root of 5 when you cancel the square and the square root. So, substituting these simple forms into the given expression, we have 3 square root of 45 plus square root of 20 minus square root of 245. Now let's substitute. We have 3 times square root of 5 for square root of 45, 2 square root of 5 for square root of 20, and 7 square root of 5 for square root of 245. Now, here we have 3 times 3, so it will be 9 square root of 5 plus 2 square root of 5 minus 7 square root of 5. Now this is the simple expression that you know how to deal with from the first video. It will be 9 plus 2 minus 7. So 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. Hence the answer will be 4 square root of 5. Now is your turn. Please solve 2b and 2d plus those 6 questions and show me your answers.